Lot S95 is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT, matching numbers V code 440, 390 horsepower, 6-pack V8, 4-speed, and air conditioning. And it sold for $97,900 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website some of the highlights. Odometer reads 78,323 miles. And it's matching numbers V code 440, 390 horsepower, 6-pack V8 engine, 4-speed transmission with a pistol grip shifter, super track pack, 410 Dana rear axle, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, rally instrument cluster with tachometer, bucket seats and console, Music Master AM radio, vinyl top, rally wheels, Goodyear Polyglass GT tires. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.